The nanner officially sitting up.
Well, assisted.
Kind of sitting up.
No, she really is on.
Propped
on her head.
forward just a little bit. Got a little stretch. Got a little stretch going. Hannah.
Good girl. Good girl, Hannah. Good girl. Look at you. Look at you.
What's going on?
Oh, one hand, Mom. One hand. Oh.
Good balance.
Good girl. Touchdown.
Oh wow, we're really stretching forward now. Look at that. We're way over our feet. We're way over our feet at this point.
Hey, look how limber I am.
Look at the buttocks.
Get it, Hannah. Get it, Hannah. Get it, Hannah.
Whoa.